Hello students, today's topic is relation between potential difference and electric field. So, to explain this, what I am doing, I have taken an electric field, I have taken two very close points named as A and B. This distance I have taken as dl. This distance is taken as dl, this distance. So, my concern is to carry a charge Q from B to A. Carry a charge Q from B to A. And I know if I will carry a charge from B to A, then from the definition, the potential difference, you can write dV, is nothing but potential of B minus potential of A. And I need to calculate this potential difference. Again, this potential difference is nothing but the work done upon bringing the charge Q, W upon Q. Okay, so here what I will do, I will simply calculate what is the amount of work done. So amount of work done will be my force into displacement I have taken dl, FdL, and F will be F equal to Q into E. So I will just put over here dV equal to W, in place of W I will put F dot dl, okay, upon Q. So F dot dl means F dl cos theta. So my electric field direction is in this way and I am coming in this way. So here theta is 180 degree. So it will come as dV equal to F dl cos theta. Cos 180 is minus 1. So it will come as minus F dl upon Q. Again F is QE. So if I will put QE, so I will get minus QE dl upon Q. Q get cancelled. So finally I am getting dV equal to minus E dl, which you can write as E equal to minus dV upon dl. So this is the important formula. Okay, this is the important formula where they will ask find out the minus equal to minus dV upon dl. dV upon dl means, what does it indicate? It indicates, okay, so this is a very small derivation. Okay, so suppose I am taking, you have to write like this, I am taking a charge from B to A over a distance dl. So potential difference is dV, which is nothing but VB minus VA, and you know that definition of potential difference is work done upon charge. Work done is F dot dl, and F dot dl means FdL cos 180, which comes as minus FdL, and in place of F I have used QE. So QQ is getting cancelled. Finally I am getting dV equal to minus EdL. After rearranging, I can write like this. That means electric field is nothing but negative potential gradient. Negative potential gradient. That means if length is divided with a quantity, it is known as gradient. Okay, here length is divided upon the potential, so this quantity is known as potential gradient, and due to negative sign I am writing negative potential gradient. So from this relation I can clearly say, if this is my electric field, okay, here my potential will be something more, here less, here less, here less. So gradually I will increase the distance, the potential will decrease. I will increase the distance, okay, along the electric field, the potential will be decreased. So basically you need to remember this formula, which will be like a problem will be asked, find out the electric field, okay, find out the electric field. If they will give electric field and potential and the distance, they will ask dV. So in this case, dB equal to electric field multiplied with the distance. If they will give dB and dl, they can ask electric field. So this is the basic relation between potential difference and electric field, which is again very important. So next class I will teach about equipotential surface, and then I will go to capacitance, and which will be the last of this topic. Thank you.